This tutorial walks you through analyzing Excel files with QInsights. It is for semi-structured data such as open-ended survey responses, social media comments, or NPS feedback with written responses. As always, begin by adding a file to your project. In the next step, you'll be asked to specify which columns in your Excel file are variables and select their types. While Excel files are not summarized, you can preview their content. Here you see an example. All content you've designated as variables will be treated as speaker variables. The Excel file used in this tutorial contains social media comments and the number of likes. The other variables you see here are from other Excel files within the same project. If you'd like to review what was imported, you can check the values for all cases. For example, here you can see the number of likes associated with each social media comment. Let's take a closer look at the comments that received more than 10 likes. To do so, we can apply a filter. The option we need here is greater than, and we need to add the value 10. Now we are ready to analyze the data. For open-ended questions, it often doesn't make sense to analyze all questions at once. After clicking Analyze, you can now select which content you'd like to focus on. For Excel files, you currently have 3 analysis options: theme analysis, conversational analysis, and sentiment analysis. We'll start by showing you an example of a conversational analysis. We were curious about which of the topics discussed received more than 10 likes. We then delved deeper into each topic. For instance, we requested more details on the topic design and features. Next, we wanted to explore the relationship between the various threads on design and features and the number of likes, so we requested this information to be displayed in a table. Let's move on to show you how sentiment analysis works. Our sentiment analysis goes beyond simply identifying whether a response is positive, negative, or neutral. You can specify the type of sentiment you're interested in. Further, you can add a focus on specific aspects in your data for more targeted insights. When the analysis is completed, a pie chart shows how much of the conversation is about your focus topic. It also displays the breakdown of the different sentiments. Below the pie chart, you can see how each response or comment was evaluated. In the future, you will also have the option to adjust these evaluations. At the bottom of the page, you'll find a summary with recommendations. You can edit, modify, or rewrite this summary based on your own interpretation of the data. In addition, you can ask follow-up questions. Explore further details, group content by sentiment type, or relate the sentiment to respondent variables for a more nuanced understanding. That's a wrap. You've now seen how to analyze Excel files with QInsights, from filtering data to performing conversational and sentiment analysis. We hope this tutorial has helped you get a feel for the process. Thanks for watching, and we're confident you'll achieve great results with QInsights.